Activities carried out by these organs of the United Nations. First organ, General Assembly. The biggest organ of the United Nations is the General Assembly. All the member nations are included and given a representation. Every nation can send maximum 5 representatives to this, but when election takes place, they can cast only one vote. This organization discusses, advises, suggests, or recommends on any matter which is related to international relations. General Assembly also accepts the budget presented by the Secretary General every year and also allocates the expenses. The General Assembly also attempts to find solutions to the economic problems of the nations, human rights, disarmament, or any other international matters. In General Assembly, all the decisions are taken by two-thirds majority in the general matters. Second organ, Security Council, a very important organ of the United Nations. Students, this is always asked in any of the exam as a short note. Please try to underline. There are 5 permanent members in this, namely, underline, America, Britain, France, Russia and China. Whereas other 10 countries are not permanent members, they are elected for a term of 2 years by the General Assembly. They are non-permanent members. This council enjoys tremendous powers in order to maintain international peace and security. Our country, India, is also trying level best to become a permanent member of this Security Council. This organization is solving the problems and disputes of the nations peacefully through negotiations and mediations, not by war, but by talking, but by asking the problems and trying to bring the solution for that. When any permanent member does not vote in the support of some important interest matter, it cannot take a decision on that. This power of the 5 permanent members is called veto power or right to deny. Students, usually you know that when there is majority, we are taking a decision that all are agreeing, but here even if one does not agree from 5, that means that work cannot be done, that decision cannot be taken. This is only veto power, and all these 5 permanent members are enjoying this veto power. That means they can go against the decision or they can vote against it. Russia, a country, has used this veto power maximum number of times. Third organ, Economic and Social Council. It is also known as ECOSOC in short. The General Assembly is appointing from its retiring members for 3 years. This organization is trying to raise the standard of living of the nations of the world without any bias of religion or caste or region. The offices or sub councils of this organization are working all over the world, including WHO, World Health Organization, which works to improve the health of the people of the world. And we know recently when COVID-19 pandemic is spread, WHO is trying level-based steps to overcome this disease well all over the world. IMF, International Monetary Fund, it works to establish financial stability. FAO, Food and Agricultural Organization, this organization helps to improve agricultural production, forestry and fishery, and tries to raise the nutrition level of the people. ILO, International Labour Organization, this organization is working to provide rights and justice to laborers of the world. UNICEF, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, or now it is known as United Nations International Children's Fund. This organization is undertaking child welfare activities all over the world to improve the health of the children of the world because they are the future citizens, and so it tries to provide nutritional food and as well as education. UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. This organization is working to improve the cooperation between the nations by removing illiteracy, by raising the standard of the people living in that country, by providing them education, by providing them justice, by providing scientific and cultural resources. Also, there are sub councils and regional councils which are undertaking various activities. Fourth organ, Trusteeship Council. There are 5 permanent members in this council. The representatives selected by the General Assembly are also included. This organization oversees matters pertaining to nations which have not acquired independence and are under some previous mandate. Also, nations defeated in the Second World War as well as social, economic, political development. So, this is a very special task done by this organization. No company should be dependent. International Court of Justice. The headquarters is in city of Hague, Netherlands. There are 15 judges. They are appointed for 9 years period, and this organization is solving disputes between the nations, giving verdict or judgments on international disputes which are presented before it, and also gives legal advice to all the member nations. Secretariat. The office of the Secretary General of the United Nations is called the Secretariat. The General Assembly is appointing the Secretary General for a period of 5 years. Secretaries, administrators, assistants, translators, and experts are also appointed to help the Secretary General. The office of the Secretariat is situated in New York. The United Nations has constantly been making efforts to establish world peace, world unity, and to achieve the dream of universal brotherhood.